Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable the spell checking feature in the Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the three-dotted icon up at the top right corner of the browser window. Just go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to go down and select settings. On the left side, you want to select the languages option. So go ahead and just left click on that. And then on the right side, underneath spell check, where it says check for spelling errors when you type text on web pages, if you want to turn that on or enable the spell checker, go ahead and toggle that to the on position, which will be indicated by a blue circle inside of this lighter blue oval. If you want to turn off the spell checker, you just would toggle that to the off position by clicking inside of the oval. And you also have additional options for an enhanced spell checking feature as well. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.